Hello YouTube friends, today I would like to do a review of the Tamiya Mini4wd AR chassis. This is AR chassis. Actually it's an unboxing video, but I accidentally unboxed it and cut off all the frame. But I think I will do another unboxing video about this AR chassis. Okay, let's start. This is the main frame, the chassis, the AR chassis. Okay, it's one main frame, and inside the box it includes the chart for Tamiya Mini4wd AR chassis, stickers, and of course assembly manual. Okay, that's it. Then this is the main frame, and just a lot of parts, the covers for the motors. Inside this kit it have a single shaft stock motor. Okay, let's start the assembly. Oh, of course, the cover, the aerodynamic AR chassis cover, Aero Avante, and the wing and the support, the cover. Okay, let's start from the gears. Of course, the AR chassis, it's face upwards, and the parts it's facing downwards because it's a new chassis. They trying to make a new chassis that everything is below the chassis. So it's the MS is on the top, but for the AR it's for below, under. So okay, let's start from the top. Okay, it got the blue gear. It's quite rare, so it's just fit inside. Okay, make sure it spins. Okay. Then the gear cover, it's quite small compared to the VS chassis. Yeah, it's quite small. And attach it, put it here, then the end, and then snap inside. Okay, now we got a blue gear inside here. Okay, now for the yellow and pink gear, the crown gear. And this kit, it got the, what we call this, the bearing plastic. It's compared better than the last one that got plastic and a metal go bushing inside. It's better than the old version, so this can make the tire rotates longer. So okay, install this. Install this inside the chassis. I will use one fluorine bearing because I lost one, so never mind. Just fit inside every hose. Okay, now we got our new generation of plastic bearings. Okay, now let's about the wheels. The wheels is silver painted, covered in silver color, and of course the low profile tires just fit inside. Okay. Okay, now and here's the 60 mm wheel shaft. It includes two of it. It includes two, so put it in. Okay, and for the front, put the crown here, and then through the crown gear. Okay, push this wheel inside, so the rotation. This without the, this is not the floor run, just the original zero rotation. It's very good compared to the other chassis. Very good. And for information, all the bearings, the plastic bearings, is same material as the rollers. It makes the rollers rotate longer, and it's durable, not easily break like last times. This kind, it's very easily break. See, everything just break it. But this, it's very good. I like this chassis a lot. Of course, this set. And the other. Oh, it's quite hard to put through this shaft. Okay, this will be a little bit tricky. See the gear, the yellow gear. This should be facing inwards, so just like that. For more easier to install, first put the crown gear facing the opposite side, and put through the wheel shaft from here, through here, then put through a pin gear, and put the yellow gear inside and support it. Okay, it's easier. And let's through this funny bearing. It's quite hard. Okay, here goes. So okay, come on. Oh, it's harder than I thought. Okay, here it goes. Make sure every gears is contact. All contact. Okay, now the gear, the motor. Okay, stock motor. And this, what they call the 80 black pinion gear. It's reinforced black gear, reinforced with a little bit carbon. It's harder than last times those purple color gear. It's very tough. It's not easily break, so it's very good chassis. Then the terminals. First install the shock terminals. Install it like that. Through, and then clicks it. Okay, now we got one. The second one. It's quite fun when you assemble it. Okay, when you assemble this, very fun. It's for me. This is the first time I play the single shaft. I'm usually play the MS Pro, this double shaft. This is the first time I play the single shaft, so it's very fun for me. And of course, install the propeller shaft. Here's a propeller shaft. Install it like that. Put it at the rear first. Put it here. Wait. Okay, then and it here. So gonna check, does it connect? Yes, it does connect. Then the motor, the terminal is facing inside. First put the gear inside, push it in, and then clicks. Yeah, that's it. Very easy. Okay, now the terminals for the battery. Another terminal. See the hole here. Okay, the short will be facing inwards and the long will facing outwards, so this hole will be stuff inside the hole that I showed you guys just now. So it's something like that. Okay, then on the switch is quite nice, on off. Okay, it's light, so just this contact point, put it here. Okay, it does connect. Okay, that's good. Now it's time to close the gears. This is the first cover. This is the most important cover for your gears and terminals for the front. Clip it like that through here. Okay, then put inside. And then find the holes. Okay, clip, snap in place. And for the middle part, this will be the middle one. And see the 2 points here. Put it here. Don't put this one first. I suggest this one, easier. So see the 2 clips here. Okay, put it inside the holes here. See the holes? Put it inside, and then push it down. Make sure it snaps. Okay, it snaps. And for the middle one, this point here and the holes here. Okay, push it in, and then slide inside. Snap again. Yeah, now we got the AR chassis. Yeah, it's very, very, very gorgeous. Let's see. Okay, these holes I will explain later. Now the covers will be, there's 2 holes. Connect the, okay, connects like that. It snaps. Okay, snaps in place, and this one clips. Yes. Now we got the cover. See the holes here. Connect here, and it's very, very nice. It's like a jet turret. I mean the boost. So click it in. Turn. Okay. Now we got AR chassis. Okay, now it's time to install the rollers. First put in the black roller, I mean the screw, and put a washer here, so it's like that, and screw it at the opposite. Wait, where's my screwdriver? How can I fix it without screwdriver? Okay. Never mind, just use this. Screw inside. Don't screw it too stiff so it rotates. Okay. Then the second one, same. And screws. Wait. Okay. Does it rotate? No. Okay, rotates now. Good. And for the rear roller, it will be quite balanced because it's 6 rollers including in this kit. So it's a very good starting kit for those beginners. It's really a good starter pack. For me, this is the greatest chassis I've ever seen. I wish Tamiya can make a better chassis for, I think it's 5 more years. Because this is the 30th anniversary Tamiya. Okay, rotate. This is the 30th anniversary Tamiya model AR chassis, the newest chassis for a few years. Last time they used the MS, and the next I'm not so sure anymore. And this gear is same as the S2 chassis, the speed chassis. It's very good at speed. Usually my country used S2 as speed or VS because it's durable. Now I think Aero Avante can take their place. Okay, here goes. Now we got your Aero Avante. And oh yeah, the brakes. Just see these 2 holes put inside. And the screws. Where's the screws? Oh my gosh. Okay, here. Screw inside. Okay, this time I really need to. Okay, here you are. Oh. Screw it in. Screw in place. Oh my. It's the greatest chassis I ever met. Yeah, finished. The greatest chassis. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Okay, you can try to fit out the decals. Okay, if you want a snap open, it's very easy. You just see these 2 panels, push it in together, slide out. Yeah, now you got. Put the batteries inside and a loop. That's minus and plus, because it reminds you. So wow. Wow, that scares me. That scares me. Wow. This is horrible than the final destination. Okay. Now. Oh. Too fast. No, not now. Seriously, that ringtone scares me. Oh. Okay. Now we got. Slide it. Okay, my battery is gonna out, so it will be a very fast review. Okay, I better remove the battery first. Come on, battery, turn so fast out. Okay, here, snap back. Okay, this is a very good chassis. See, if I switch on the panels, if it crashed, everyone say when it crashed it must be fly out this battery covers, because a lot of chassis when they fly out the track it crashed and then all the batteries fly out, right? But this, when you open this, switch on this panel, it can't slide it out. See, it's locked because there's a arrow pointing towards the switch, so it can't open it. So see how tough I open it? I can't. But when I slide off, it's very easy. See, that's a very good chassis for, and it's very durable for me. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will do a customization for this, upgrade, so stay tuned. I will upgrade the gears, all the rollers, and okay, thanks for watching, YouTube fans. Remember to subscribe or comment and like this video, okay? And I will do the next video as fast as possible, when I recharge the battery, of course. Thanks for watching. Bye.